flowers in the morning usually give people a fresh and energetic feeling. Mountains, rivers and waterfalls are one of nature's most breathtaking sights. The clear blue waters and soft white sand beaches make it a dream resort for many people. The beautiful scenery of the sea and the sky are one color is really breathtaking. Combining the dynamic skateboarding on the sea with the tranquil sunset creates a very beautiful picture. The sea is surging, but the seabed is tranquil. This is a picture full of philosophy and beauty. The sunset is infinitely beautiful, but it is approaching dusk.